Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to easily display your relationship status to your friends on the Facebook app using your PC, especially with the new update. Whether you want to share your relationship news or just keep your friends in the loop, this quick guide will help you do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, navigate to the About section of your profile. You can find this option usually below your cover photo or in the menu tabs. Once you're there, head over to the Overview tab, where you can see various personal details about your profile. Now, look for your relationship status in the Overview section. Right next to it, you'll notice a small audience icon. This icon controls who can see your relationship status. Click on that audience icon, and a menu will appear with different privacy options. From the list, select Friends. This setting ensures that only your Facebook friends will be able to see your relationship status. After you've chosen Friends, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. This step is important because it confirms your new privacy setting and updates your profile accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully set your relationship status to be visible only to your friends on Facebook using your PC. This method is straightforward and keeps your personal information shared exactly how you want it. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you want to change who sees your relationship status. Facebook's updates make it easier than ever to control your privacy with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your relationship status with your friends on Facebook.